Greater horseshoe bats are disappearing from our countryside. With a wingspan of 40 centimetres, they're among the UK's largest bats. But changes to our landscape mean they now face big problems. This is an animal whose population has fallen by 90% over the past 100 years in Britain and across the rest of Northern Europe. They get their name from a unique horseshoe-shaped nose leaf. They use this to make calls, allowing them to navigate as they fly. However, the bat's listening system only works where landmarks such as hedges, woodland edges and rivers are linked up. This is why Devon Greater Horseshoe Bat Project was established. We work with communities across Devon, helping local people recreate a countryside in which the bats can thrive.
Devon is a brilliant place for greater horseshoe bats. So they really want to have lots of insects that they can be hunting, nice structure that they can hunt around, and the landscape actually provide all of that really well. So you've got really nice sort of rolling hills, lots of valleys, lots of woodland, lots of streams, really nice wildflower rich grasslands supporting lots of insects. There's a history of mining, so lots of caves and adits, and also lots of old barns, which allows the horseshoe bats to roost. All these features tend to be quite well linked up with hedgerows, which provide a sort of highway system for the bats, which allows them to access their hibernation roost and then into their summer roost, which might be a few kilometres away. We've been working with landowners to access agricultural subsidies to undertake work that's beneficial to the horseshoe bat, be it orchard planting, recreating hedges or improving roost sites. The site that we've been working at here at Hatcher's Farm has been fantastic. It's so close to the roost for the young pups in the later summer, so they need to have a resource of food that is really close to the roost. Orchards actually provide great habitat in general, and it's great that we can help provide that.
Yeah, quite honoured that we've got a rare species in our area, and if I can do anything, I'll be keen to help them populate for many years to come. Changing a few little things on the farm can make a big difference to the bats. By not worming the animals with certain types of worm has made a huge difference. There's no chemicals in the dung, so the insects really thrive. I also let the hedges grow up because the hedges create roadways to link different areas. And I'm trying to let the grasses grow higher. That then creates a different diversity of invertebrates. So as they thrive, then you hope the animals up above can then thrive as well. So it's not only the bats, it's the birds and the bigger insects, and so the pyramid goes on.
We're being encouraged to try and get some cattle to graze on that rough heathland, because the introduction of cattle will open up the bracken and scrub, which will increase the diversity of insect life, we're hoping. And also the dung will allow dung beetles to come, which are a favourite food source for the greater horseshoe bat. The advice I'd give other landowners and farmers, if they want to get involved, is to look through how this project will affect the way they're farming, but they're not too onerous and it can be discussed as you set up the agreement. I think I certainly encourage more farmers to participate.
The Devon Greater Horseshoe Bat Project is a partnership of 18 organisations led by Devon Wildlife Trust and is supported by the National Lottery through the Heritage Lottery Fund, as well as a range of other funders.